Today, we're going to be grateful for ourselves. We are gifts of life. You may not like your life, you may wish you were never born, but you were still a gift. That doesn't change the fact. You may be feeling depressed right now, sad right now. It doesn't change the fact that you have a gift from the time you were born. We are a gift to the universe, to ourselves, to the people around us. We don't know our path yet. We don't know our purpose yet. Maybe we do. Today, just reflect on you as a gift. Reflect on all the instances that you've impacted someone. You've made someone smile. You made someone feel good. Okay, the smallest impact could be the greatest impact for a human being. You listened to someone. You gave someone the gift of listening, the gift of forgiveness, acceptance, letting go. You gave someone the gift of choice, the gift to decide. You just gave someone the gift of a smile. Reflect and connect deeply with gratitude for this gift, which is yourself.